Hello, this is Lilla. I thought I would give you a little, not exactly a tour, but a little bit of a tour, you might say. For want of a better word, but it's not really a tour. I'm just going to show you some UFOs in my attic studio, and maybe that'll give me the idea that I should get busy and finish them. So the first thing I'll show you is this clutch I'm working on. And it's been sitting there, and I've been playing with pinning things on, putting this color on. Then I decided, don't think I like that color very much, so I'll be taking that off. But that'll be a clutch that I'm working on. One of my UFOs, unfinished objects. This one's been sitting around a while. It's a slow stitching Paris, sort of a little wall art piece, and I haven't figured out what to do with it yet. That's the back of it. Sometimes I like the back better, and I sort of hate to put anything on the back because when you look at it, it's nice to look at the back. So what I'm thinking I will do, first I thought, it could be a book cover, but everything is facing the wrong way. So it'll probably have to be a picture, and I'll add some hangers here. So the bits and pieces on here is a lace motif, some yo-yos, and quite a lot of slow stitching and some words down here. So I like it though. I just like looking at it. I keep it on my bulletin board where I've got a bunch of this sort of thing. Unfinished, of course. Also, I've got a box of UFOs here. It's really a basket. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. The first one, I decided I would embroider a book cover, French style, so that's some ribbon embroidery up here and some other thread embroidery, and then the back of it has a pocket on it like that, and inside it's just the inside of an old napkin. That's as far as I've got. If you have any suggestions, I guess it'd have to be a fabric book, but it could be a paper book or something. But I like the cut. I like it just like that. I mean, it could be just a piece of art, almost like that. No, forget that idea. So that's one UFO there. What else have I got? I'm working on... it's just a collage piece. I guess this is supposed to be a book cover for a French book, and I've already dyed a little piece of scrim. That's as far as I got with that, and I've looked at that for about 6 months. Okay, what else have I got here? I've got this piece. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these. This is just a piece I embroidered for... I can't remember what I did it for, but it's just a flat piece of linen with some embroidery and a word. It says France. Could be a nice book cover as well. Could be a picture if I added some more to it. So that's a UFO. Oh goodness, I need to get myself into gear. Okay, then this, I haven't looked at these for ages. I don't know what they are. This is a piece of... Okay, so here's a pocket. I can see a pocket. Nothing on the front. I think I'm going to put some embroidery, slow stitch something on the front. Right now it's just some lace netting, and then there are some pockets inside, and I left the edge. It was an old napkin, linen napkin. I left it like that. So that's another UFO. Don't know what to do with it. To break that up, I've got a UFO here. I was fiddling around with some paint, watercolors, you know, I like to paint, and some paint sort of splashed on there, and I thought, that looks kind of like a tree. So I scribbled a tree with a pen and threw on some other paint, and there's some pastel on here. Brought it inside because my studio for paint's outside, so I brought it in here, and I'm going to put some glitter on it. How's that? Okay, here's another UFO. This one I could sell them just like this, I think, as, what would I call them? UFOs. But if someone would want to buy them, because I use really nice laces, a lace I got in France. I remember exactly the place I got this. So it's lined with some batting. Another UFO. Okay, let's see. We're getting to the bottom of this basket. Here's a pocket made with French music and French papers and some French lace, netting lace, and a little ornamentation at the top. Don't know what it is. It's a UFO. Just sits there. And let me see if there's anything worth showing you. There's some things, scraps. Okay, and then there's this, which kind of matches that. It has a whole bunch of collage lace and music and French text on the back. Don't know what it's for. It could be a cover of a book. I wouldn't want to put them back and front, so I don't know what that is.